Welcome to today's video on the health benefits of consuming olive oil on an empty stomach. A golden secret is hidden deep within nature's treasure chest. For generations, this elixir has served as a silent witness to whispered stories of health and vitality. But what if I told you that its potency increases when consumed on an empty stomach, from the sun-kissed groves of the Mediterranean to the modern kitchen? Discover a tremendous metamorphosis. Just a few drinks will reveal. With each drop comes the promise of a discovery that could change your morning routine forever. Stay tuned as we explore the age-old mysteries of drinking olive oil on an empty stomach. Just a reminder that the information in this video is intended to be educational only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. Now let us begin our countdown with number 1. Promotes intestinal health. When you consume olive oil first thing in the morning, you are introducing a surge of monounsaturated fats. These lipids increase the formation of bile, our body's own digesting juice. Bile dissolves fats, making them easier to digest and absorb. Imagine this: your digestive system, all revved up in the morning, receives a gentle nudge from olive oil, ensuring it is ready for the day's meals. Now let's talk about molecules other than lipids. Olive oil contains oleocanthal european and hydroxyrosol. These are more than simply elegant names. They actively protect our digestive tract's lining, lowering inflammation and oxidative stress. According to a 2019 study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition, frequent olive oil consumption may improve a balance of good bacteria in the stomach, resulting in a smoother digestive process. Here's the cherry on top: phenolic compounds. According to a research report published in Molecules 2020, these chemicals help lower gastrointestinal inflammation, making nutrients easier to absorb. So the next time you think of olive oil, imagine it as your gut's personal morning peep message. Cheers to a happy, healthy digestive system. Number 2 enhances heart health. First, we have monounsaturated fats. These heart-healthy lipids, which comprise a big portion of olive oil, play an important role in lowering harmful LDL cholesterol levels. Remember that lower LDL equals cleaner arteries and a happier heart. A 2019 study published in the journal Circulation found that consuming more of these fats reduced the chance of developing heart disease. But that is not all. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants such as vitamin E and polyphenols. These small fighters combat oxidative stress, which, if unchecked, can contribute to heart disease. A 2017 report in the European Journal of Nutrition supported this assertion, demonstrating how antioxidants in olive oil counteract oxidative damage. And let us not forget oleocanthal, a molecule unique to olive oil, has anti-inflammatory qualities similar to ibuprofen. Inflammation is a quiet threat to our hearts, and keeping it under control is critical. In 2018, the Journal of Experimental Medicine shed light on the oleocanthal's involvement in reducing inflammation. In a nutshell, the next time you take down olive oil on an empty stomach, see it as a small army boosting your heart's defenses. Keep your heart healthy, my friends. Third, keep blood sugar levels stable. Have you ever had one of those mornings when you simply feel a little off? Olive oil might be an unexpected companion on this journey. Here's how the contemporary saturated fats found in olive oil work their magic when consumed first thing in the morning. They slow the absorption of glucose from your diet into the bloodstream, resulting in a smoother, more prolonged energy release. There will be no more dramatic sugar spikes and falls. Now let's get geeky about science. The primary players here are oleic acid and polyphenols. These chemicals work together to improve both sugar absorption and insulin sensitivity. Imagine insulin as a key to our body's cells, allowing sugar to enter with greater sensitivity. The lock and key mechanism functions better, ensuring that blood sugar is used more efficiently. A study published in the Diabetes Care Journal in 2015 discovered that high oleic acid diets improve glycemic management. Don't forget the polyphenols. These small warriors contain anti-inflammatory characteristics that counteract oxidative stress, which, according to the European Journal of Nutrition 2019, contributes to the development of diabetes. So, the next time you're thinking about morning rituals, consider that a little olive oil could be the key to more consistent energy and healthier blood sugar levels. Next, consider the 4 most important weight management tips. Why is there a buzz about consuming olive oil on an empty stomach for weight loss? It is not magic, it is science. When you drink that golden nectar, you are not only enjoying its rich flavor, but also benefiting from a special blend of ingredients that can aid with weight management. For starters, olive oil is high in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. These fats give you a sense of satiety, so you may eat less thereafter. And best of all, one study published in the European Journal of Nutrition 2019 discovered that diets high in monounsaturated fats, such as olive oil, can even boost fat loss when compared to diets high in saturated fats. Then there's AL and hydroxyrosol. These are potent antioxidants that not only protect your cells, but also play a part in metabolic processes associated to weight. A 2017 study in the journal Lipids in Health and Disease found that these chemicals can help increase insulin sensitivity. Now let's talk about the unusual molecule all-oil olamide, or OBAOEA, which aids in hunger and fat metabolism. When you consume olive oil, you are indirectly encouraging your body to use part of the stored fat for energy. Number 5 helps skin health. Do you know the glowing glow we all want for our skin? Olive oil might be your secret weapon. When you drink down that golden goodness on an empty stomach, you're giving your skin a nutritional boost. First, let's talk about polyphenols. These natural ingredients found in olive oil act like superheroes, shielding the skin from free radicals. In fact, a 2012 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that they help improve skin elasticity and moisture by adding vitamins E and K. These are like natural moisturizers. Vitamin E in particular has been demonstrated to protect against UV-induced damage, according to a 2010 report in Dermatoendocrinology. And guess what? Olive oil contains both, but there's more. Olive oil contains oleic acid, a monounsaturated lipid that helps keep your skin supple and moisturized. It even has a role in cell regeneration. So the next time you sip some olive oil, envision it working its magic, transforming each cell into a miniature fountain of youth. Bring out that inner light. Number 6 increases hair health. When you ingest olive oil, you are effectively inviting a mix of healthy substances to your celebration. First, we have oleic acid, which is a monounsaturated fat. This hero is known for its ability to stimulate hair growth and prevent hair loss. A 2017 study in the Journal of Dermatological Science found that all acid could block DHT, a hormone that is frequently responsible for hair thinning. Then there's vitamin E. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition 2018, this antioxidant not only combats environmental hair villains, but also improves blood circulation to your scalp. Imagine more nutrients reaching your hair roots, resulting in stronger, shinier hair. And let us not forget about polyphenols. These little fellas are the unsung heroes of hair care. According to a study published in the International Journal of Ology 2019, they have an important function in scalp protection, hair development, and even the prevention of certain scalp illnesses. Next, number 7 promotes bone health. You know, our bones and joints literally hold us together. So it's fascinating to see how something as simple as olive oil might help. Let's geek out a little about the science behind it all. Remember the science phrases polyphenols in European? They're found in olive oil. According to a 2012 study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, polyphenols can stimulate bone production, which can help with conditions such as osteoporosis. They function by activating the cells responsible for bone formation. So these little molecules are the unsung heroes of bone health. Now let's talk about rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis. Oleucanthal, another chemical found in olive oil, exhibits characteristics similar to ibuprofen, a well-known anti-inflammatory medicine. A study published in the Rheumatology Journal in 2016 found that those with rheumatoid arthritis who consumed olive oil experienced less pain and edema. It's like nature's painkiller. 8. Anti-cancer properties. First, there is oleocanthal. This chemical adds more than simply a pungent aftertaste to your olive oil. Recent research has demonstrated that it can affect the life cycle of cancer cells. A 2015 study in molecular and cellular oncology discovered that oleocanthal can rupture a cancer cell, releasing enzymes that induce cell death. Then there's squalene, a lesser-known compound. According to a 2016 paper in the Journal of Clinical Oncology, squalene has the potential to reduce the incidence of skin cancer. It's like giving your skin an invisible protection from within. Of course, we cannot neglect polyphenols. They serve as antioxidants, protecting our cells from damage. According to a 2019 study published in the European Journal of Cancer Prevention, polyphenols may inhibit cancer cells from forming and progressing. The beauty of oleic acid, which accounts for approximately 73% of olive oil. According to a 2018 study published in the Annals of Oncology, oleic acid may block some genes that contribute to breast cancer growth. So, the next time you sip that olive oil, envision it as your personal army prepping you for the fight against cancer. Number 9 supports brain health. Did you realize that your morning tablespoon of olive oil could be providing your brain a welcome boost? Let's delve into the brain-boosting properties of this golden elixir. Your brain cells are like miniature electric wires, and they are protected by a covering of myelin olive oil. Monosaturated fats are essential for sustaining this layer. Without it, our brain impulses could slow down or become confused. But the benefits don't end there. Olive oil contains polyphenols, which are potent antioxidants. One of these, hydroxyrosols, protects our brain from oxidative damage. Considered an invisible screen against brain corrosion, remember oleocanthal. This chemical is well known for its anti-inflammatory effects. Oleocanthal prevents inflammation from causing brain damage. A 2017 study published in the Annals of Clinical and Translational Neurology found that combining these drugs can postpone or perhaps prevent the beginning of Alzheimer's disease. Another research in Frontiers in Neuroscience 2019 shown how they improve memory and learning. Next, number 10 enhances eye health. Did you know that sipping olive oil gives your eyes a tiny boost? This is how it works. Olive oil provides a wealth of chemicals that are excellent for eye health. According to a 2005 study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, vitamin E is a standout in this lineup. This potent antioxidant helps to prevent or reduce age-related macular degeneration. But wait, there's more. In addition to vitamin E, our retinas contain large quantities of zeaxanthin and LTA. These chemicals are our eyes' natural sunscreen. According to a 2013 article in the British Journal of Ophthalmology, they protect our eyes from dangerous high-energy light waves such as UV rays. So the next time you take a shot of olive oil in the morning, envision all of these fantastic ingredients speeding directly to your eyes, providing protection and sustenance. The next number is 11. Improve your kidney function. Olive oil is much more than just taste. It's a combination of several extremely protecting chemicals for our kidneys. Now you might be wondering how it works. It's mostly due to a combination of antioxidants, particularly phenolic chemicals such as olein and hydroxyrosol. According to a study published in the Clinical Nutrition Journal in 2018, these beauties can lower renal inflammation while also increasing blood flow. But wait, there's more. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil also play an important role. According to a study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition in 2019, these fats may help reduce kidney cell damage and oxidative stress, which acts as a silent villain for kidney cells. Then there's squalene, another component that, according to the American Journal of Physiology 2020, helps to reduce pollutants that might load our kidneys. Number 12 helps to reduce erectile dysfunction. Did you know that a morning ritual with olive oil can enhance testosterone levels and potentially alleviate the symptoms of erectile dysfunction? It sounds unexpected, doesn't it? But let's get into the science. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin, contains a plethora of healthful chemicals. A standout is European, which was discovered in a 2012 study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry to enhance testosterone production in rats. Higher testosterone levels can considerably improve sexual function in men. Then there's oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat found primarily in olive oil. This heart-friendly lipid promotes blood flow throughout the body, especially the neuro regions. Improved blood circulation is critical in treating ED. A 2017 study in the Journal of Clinical Lipidology found that diets high in monounsaturated can improve heart health and, by extension, circulatory system. Furthermore, substances including vitamin E, polyphenols, and squalene in olive oil have both anti-inflammatory and antioxidant capabilities. Chronic inflammation can lower testosterone levels via decreasing inflammation. These chemicals provide indirect hormonal assistance. Now let's look at the greatest oil,